Hi, for today's reflection, I just want to talk about how probability distribution are actually used in IT. At first, I thought probability was just math that you solve on paper, but when I understood how it works in real systems, it started to make sense why it's important. In IT, a lot of things happen randomly. System crash unexpectedly. Users log in at different times and errors appear even when everything seems fine. Because of this unpredictability, probability distribution help us estimate, predict, and understand what might happen. One example is the binomial distribution. This applies when something only has two results like pass or fail, success or error. In software, In software testing, each test run either succeeds or fails using binomial probability. We can estimate how many successful runs we should expect. This helps developers measure the reliability of a system. Instead, instead of guessing, we use probability to understand if a system is stable or if more fixes are needed. Other important one is the Poisson distribution, which is perfect for rare events. In IT, rare events happen all time like server errors, network failures, or sudden spike in requests. If a data center averages 3 network errors an hour, Poisson probability helps us calculate the chance of getting 0, 2, or even 5 errors in next hour. This allows IT teams to prepare better, allocate resource, and avoid system overload. Probability also use concepts such as expected value and variance. Expected value tells us the average results we can expected over time. Variance tells us how unpredictable or consistent those results are. If the variance is low, the system is stable. If the variance is high, it means the system important chance a lot and might need improvement. Overall, probability distribution help turns uncertainty into something we can measure. They help IT professionals predict system behavior, prevent failures, and improve performance. Instead of reacting only when something breaks, probability help us understand what could happen even before it does. So for me, probability isn't just about formulas. It's a tool that helps keep our systems reliable, efficient, and ready for real-world challenge. And that's why it's very important in the field of IT.